did something stupid and I cut my hand. There was a 40,000 gallon increase since last month of our usage.
You're my best friend.
You're my best friend too. We're gonna get a bowl.
A bowl. Oh, what am I gonna do?
So we need some measuring cups. Okay.
I'll hold this. Oh, 2 eggs.
So I gotta take this stuff out of the
What's
oven. So we need to set it to 375, I think. 350. Okay, now pour it in. Pour it all in. Good job. A little too hard there.
Liquid. I don't want to help you with the eggs.
You want me to do the egg?
Ugh. I need to wash my hands.
Come here.
Yeah.
That's what happens with eggs. Watch what Mama does, okay? I put my thumbs together. And as I push in, I'm pulling it apart. See? I pull apart.
And then you don't do it? And you don't wash your hands?
No, I rinse them. And break the yolk.
Yeah, break the yolk.
And now mix. Hold it with one hand so it doesn't hurt.
Wow, it's getting like stripes.
Good job. Okay, let's also add. That smells good.
It smells like pancakes.
Okay. We're gonna, don't let it touch. So we need 2 cups of this. Yeah. Okay. Oh no! I just broke that. My goodness.
What?
How did I do that?
Huh. Why is it so mixy?
Pour. Don't.
Now mix.
Yeah. Mix gently. Hold the bowl.
Yeah, liquidy. So,
Is it hard to mix?
yeah. It smells like cupcakes.
Yep.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa. It's gonna melt. I'm so excited to eat our cupcake.
Put this like that.
Really want to eat a cupcake.
These are gonna spill over.
Dun, 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 dun. Into the oven.
Come out. Okay, because they're a little stuck, it seems like.
Wow.
More serious than Laura falling in love with someone other than her boyfriend. Much more serious than you know.
Agent Cooper, the sheriff's ready to roll up to the site. And I've got something else for you here.
So I got a call this morning from the water department, and it turns out there was a 40,000 gallon increase since last month of our usage, which normally we use about 6,000 to 8,000 gallons in a month, and it was a 40,000 gallon increase. So obviously there's something wrong. Guy came here, asked me a bunch of questions. We checked out the meter, like tested some things, flushing the toilet, whatnot. Could not find any reason why there should be that large of an increase, because he said that amount of water would be like if we had like a huge pool that we filled, or like if we were farmers and, you know, used a lot of water or whatever. But for a normal household, this was insane. And even more insane that we can't figure out where the water went, where it came out of, that there would be that much. So he's supposed to consult with his superintendent and call me back today. And he said hopefully by the end of today, we're gonna have a plan for figuring this out, getting it fixed. He said they might even call people from Springfield to come here and use some special equipment to narrow down when the increase happened throughout the month, you know, down to like what week it happened in or something like that. So it's gonna be a few $100 bill that we have to pay. And I have no idea where this water came from. Our toilet sometimes runs if it's not like the little seal thing inside the tank is not all the way down. It'll just continue to run, but I catch it right away, and I'm home all the time. So I know it's not running all the time. He said if that were the case and it was the toilet's fault, it would have had to happen 20% of the time that we're like here. And since I'm here constantly, I know for a fact that it's not leaking that much or not running that much. There aren't any leaks anywhere. There's not any puddles outside. So that's on my mind right now because I'm waiting on a phone call. Then we're gonna have a couple family members here for 4th of July. We're gonna do it on the 3rd. Still dealing with Tama and blood in his urine. Still giving him vitamin C. So I have to call the vet soon. But I mean, there'd be no point in me calling her if I don't get a sample from Tama again. So I'll need to do all that again. Trying to get a pee sample from a cat. Man, what else am I stressing about right now? The garden. It's been so humid, we haven't been able to go outside at all, and I need to like work in the garden. I need to pull weeds and stuff. Even just being out there a very short amount of time, I start to sweat just standing there. So I can't even imagine trying to work in the garden. I'd probably get heat stroke or something. And we need trees chopped down back there. We've got so many different things in the house that need replaced. I mean, not dire situation. All of it, like our appliances work, but they need updated. We got a problem with the bathroom floor, man. It's like so broken. So I'm trying not to get stressed out, and I'm trying to take it one item at a time. Things that I need to do and take care of. Like I just did the dishes, so the dishes are done. So that's nice. Tobias peed in her bed, so I have a towel on the spot right now with cast iron skillets on top, trying to draw up the pee and whatnot. I got our sheets and stuff in the wash, dryer. I need to cook something at some point. Been talking too long. This is gonna be a long video. Yeah, he's at work. Just leave him right here on the porch. He said he'd take care of him when he got home.
Well, okay. Yeah, I'll send him up here then. Okay.
I did something stupid and I cut my hand, just as I thought would probably happen. I also shattered glass all over the floor, so I gotta clean that up. But I cut my thumb like pretty close to like the tendon in there, but it's not like gushing blood.
Daddy used that before when he cut himself with
an update on the water meter situation. The guy comes back today, this morning. Talked about, you know, a plan of action for what we're gonna do going forward. We're gonna shut the toilet off that we think might be the faulty toilet. Leave it off for a couple of days. Whenever we need to use it, you know, turn the water back on, use the toilet, turn it back off, so that it's shut off the majority of the time to make sure it's not the toilet that's the problem. And the guy, before he left, checked our meter again to get like another reading and see what it's at. And over the course of the last 24 hours, since he was here yesterday taking a reading, it has gone up 10,000 gallons. Over a month's worth of water used in 24 hours. And I literally didn't do anything different yesterday than I normally do. I did a couple loads of laundry, a load of dishes, went to the bathroom once in a while. That's it. Didn't water the garden, didn't do anything like that. So this is an extreme situation now. So he's gonna be coming back later to check the reading again and see if it's gone up. 10,000 gallons in 24 hours. There's no freaking way.
I looked up and said the Illinois water lines in Illinois standard said about 42 inches below.
Hey guys, that guy stopped to read our meter again, and strangely, the reading that he got was lower than the last one that he read. And he thinks that he read the last reading wrong. Bill bought these 100-pound iron plates. He put them in the garage when he got home from work, and as he set them down, he left his hand underneath it for some reason and smashed his hand in between two 100-pound plates.